To switch accounts on WhatsApp, launch WhatsApp. Tap the three dots at the top right hand corner. Select switch accounts. You can switch from one account to another. You don't need any app for this. So let me show you how you can have two WhatsApp in one device. Launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. Head to your account. Tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, tap on Account. Once you tap on an account, locate Add Account. It is below Delete Account. Here you can add an account. You can see the WhatsApp account that is here already. I want to add another account without using any app. Tap on Add Account and we begin the process, okay? Tap on Agree and continue. You have to agree to the terms of service. Here, you will add your phone number. This is the phone number you want to use on your WhatsApp, okay? Once this is added, you will have to verify the number and a code will be sent to you. Input that and that is all you have to do. Here, you have to provide your name and an optional profile photo. You have to create a passcode and then tap on continue or you can skip this. Once this is done, they are adding your account right away. This account is added. Now I have two WhatsApp on this device. I can easily switch from one account to the other and this is how it is done. Once I launch WhatsApp, at the top right hand corner, I will tap there and select switch account. Whichever account I want, I'll be switched onto it. And here it is. Once you are done, you will be notified, switched to whatever account it is. Now, to switch between accounts, you don't need any app. You will have to do this on your WhatsApp.